Okay, welcome back, gamers. I apologize about that. As I said, this is a photography camera. It works for filming video, but unfortunately it's not exactly designed for that. It's really just a photography camera. I'll get a film cinema camera maybe hopefully one day. So anyway, going back, we need the electrum, and what we're gonna do is just make some cuts in that to create it into wire. Okay, there's the one I was looking for. Anyway, now I've gone and done that. Can't just kind of hotkey that. I do need to make 4 more, right? Do I? I need one of these. Okay, if this is going to make oh shoot, I just don't remember the exact amount that yeah, so okay, I need to make 4 more. I hope I have enough electrum to finish this project, otherwise I'm gonna have to cut this video. And this is the kind of thing that was happening while I was messing up the 2 videos prior that I actually had planned out for today. It was supposed to be one really nice swift going right through this okay, what am I doing? Ugh. So what happens when I try to talk and do something at the same time. I'm just not very bright all the time. Okay, now we just need to turn these like that, and then I think it's iron. Okay, so now we've got the electrum coil, and we take the electrum coil. Okay, we need low voltage wires. We got copper and hardened clay. We get hardened clay by baking it, right? Oh, no. Oh, what? That copper turned right into electrum just like that. See, I didn't know that. I've got plenty of copper. Huh. Okay. Well, that's cool. I didn't know that was a thing. So, now I'm distracted again. Low voltage copper ingots, hardened clay. What we've got to do is take our clay, our bricks, and bake the bricks. How do we get hardened clay? It was showing that it was just clay that was baked. Hardened clay is... Oh, do we really need to silk touch that? Okay, no, we put 4 lumps together and then bake a block. Alright, that's cool. We can do that. I'm gonna just do that 64 times, or 16 anyway. Okay, that's cool. I'm glad that I didn't have to... Whew. So far so good, right? I'm nervous here. Alright, I want this video to be nice and swift and excellent. So we have our hardened clay. Now we need the, I was working on a transformer. Okay. Clay, copper. Copper. We only need 3. Now, how many is this going to produce? I don't know. So, 4 of them. That's nice. Now we need the same thing with the medium voltage. Okay, because this transformer is going to allow us to step up and step down the power output of a wire. Okay, now a U-shape, low voltage, medium voltage electrum coil. Okay, electrum, medium, low, and a U-shape. Now we have a transformer. Now this is going to be really cool because not only can we ramp up or ramp down our electricity depending on the needs of the circuit that we're going to be working on. Or like, say, just for example, we only need low voltage wires to be run generally around the village here in order to put lights on the inside and outside of everybody's houses and everything like that, as well as make some really cool street lamps, and I'll get all of that type of thing going. But we might want to use medium voltage somewhere, you know, for some machines or something like that. So this is a really useful way for us to be able to take energy from one source and change it to suit our needs. Now, give me 1 second while I come over here because I have my window in front of my sheet. The next thing we wanted to do is start making windmill blades, and then we're all ready to go and start producing some power. So the recipe for windmill blades is really pretty simple. We should already have everything that we need. I just don't remember what it looks like. Okay, that's I don't know how to describe that shape. A square and then 3 bricks around it out of the treated sticks. Now, according to the book, to turn these into advanced windmill blades, what we need to do is just simply sneak and right click the outside of the windmill when it's already up. But according to something that I was reading, we need to see, this tough fabric turns into the windmill sail. We make tough fabric by, and what's that, a stick? Okay, taking the hemp and surrounding a stick. Okay, now that's going to give us 1 sail. How many do we need? I think it's 5 to make a full windmill blade. So I'm going to make 5 sails, and I need to grab more sticks, treated sticks. Okay. Now we've got 3, so that's 4. I'm short again. Aye. 5. Or 11, whatever. 2, 5. Okay. There we have it. Now we should, oh, it's much more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8. I don't know why I'm counting. Okay. Back to it. We're gonna need many more sticks. We've got 5. We need 3 more, as well as more of these blades. Alright, that gives us enough. And treated wood planks. We've got enough sticks. We've got enough planks. There we are. Now we've got enough. Now, what does it say we need to do? An iron ingot. Okay. Now we've got a windmill blade. Now we're ready to make our first windmill. Now, according to the book, it says all we've got to do is right-click on the windmill blade with this tough fabric in our hand. So as soon as it's morning time, so that way I don't get shot off of this ridiculously tall death tower I'm about to build while I'm trying to create my windmill, I'm just going to take a nap. Alright, I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. You can always, if you're playing this mod, you can always go back and re-watch it. I'm just trying to cover a whole lot of things in one shot. Oh yeah, I forgot, I have a few connectors. I'm gonna need a repeater, right? I don't have to make it two, not a repeater, connector, a relay. Okay, now we need a medium voltage relay. Oh, that's even more simple. Alright, cool. I'm glad that wasn't confusing. because I didn't look into that. I wasn't thinking that far ahead. Just being real, guys. All right, running over here. Oh, we need more medium wires. That means we need the electrum as well. Electrum wires. We're just gonna cram all of these into plates because I don't know how much wire I'm gonna need. I need hammers. We're gonna make plates. Now we're gonna come up here again and we're gonna make wires, and we're gonna put our sticks on the wires. Why not? Electrum wire. Yeah, that's what we do, right? What in the world? Oh, yeah. Okay, MV wire. Oh, because I'm doing too much. Yeah. Okay. Now that should be enough to at least get the power to our transformer and ramp it down onto our capacitor. I'm going to need a little bit more low voltage wires in order to connect everything to the capacitor, but you know, like I said, I'm just trying to really quickly do this. I've been putting off getting this done for a while. I want to get it done. I want to make the video relatively quick as I can, and like I said, it is quite a lot of information to put together into one brief video. Now, considering especially that I was just completely unaware of half of it. I didn't know what I needed to do at all. Okay, oh, that hill's taller. The reason why I'm building this up on the hill is simple. It's because the windmill generates more power the higher up the blade is. Okay, now what I want to do, well, really, I guess I want to put it on that one, but you know what? I'm over here. I want to make sure I'm not going to like have anything bad happening to me while I'm climbing. So I'm just building myself a little scaffolding on the side. I don't know why that's going to happen, but it makes me feel better about it. Okay, now let's because that's why I need to build these ladders, so I'll be able to get back up there and access it later, as well as while I'm running the wire down. I'm gonna have to be able to climb this thing. Okay, see, now I can get up to the top and I can stand here and kind of work from this position. I'll figure out a better way about going about this in the future, but this was just kind of my plan. It's just to continue this idea. It's working for me. Alright, now. Okay. Doop doop doo 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 doop doop doo doo. Yeah, there we go. Go a little bit higher. I don't know how much, I have no idea how much wire I'm going to need for this. Alright. How far is that? We're going to go up one more. This is fun. This is fun. I'm having fun. Okay, let's see. Can I just kind of scooch these ladders down safely? Let's see how this works. Watch this. Alright, I'm going to just do it like this instead. This is not very smart. Oh! Could have been worse, right? Whew, caught that. Alright. Alright, we're going all the way up, and we're going to place our dynamo up here. Now, I guess this is high enough. Alright, so I'm going to need a little bit of a scaffolding here, just so I have room to work. Let's go like this. Alright, yeah, see how this happens? This is a thing. I'm doing it. Yeah. Alright, now what we're going to do is just put our dynamo wherever that is. Did I leave it in the box? Don't tell me I left it in the box. I didn't leave it in the box. Good. Phew. I was going to be very, very upset if I left it in the box. Alright, now come back over here. We want to make sure that we're being very careful. Which way is the front? I think this is the front. I think. I don't know. They don't really tell you this type of thing in the book. I think that's the front. We should be able to rotate it with the hammer. Bink. Bink. Okay. Now I guess I gotta kinda get rid of these blocks. Because, I mean, hey, even if it works, it's just going to look funky. And we don't want that. I'll come up here when I figure out how to build this immersive engineering scaffolding stuff. I'll put that there then. Alright, so come over here and bam! Yeah, there we go. We've got a windmill. But look at that. It's got no sails on it. So these sails, shift and click. Oh, and that's not working. The book is out of date, unless I misunderstood. No, it said, seriously guys, the book says, let me show you. I'm not lying. The book is in my backpack. Okay, the book seriously says, dude, right click on it and it'll work. Right? Going back to the next section, power generation, windmill. Oh, that's a water wheel, my bad. Windmill blade, right? Power generation. Your wind-based power generation can be improved by covering your blades with your windmill cloth. Doing so increases the surface area and with the rotation and speed required. Sails are crafted from tough hemp and applied to the windmill by right-clicking it in the world. Right-clicking. Maybe not shift right-clicking then. Okay. So let's try again. And yeah, it's not working. See, I don't understand. Maybe I do it to this. Nah, it's just incorrect information. And on top of that, I don't see a recipe here for it. Advanced lubrication system. But we're not trying to lube this, right? Right. Anyway, so we're just going to climb back down after we attach some connectors and relays. Don't forget about the relays. I'm going to be working on the right side, so I'm going to drop this one. Alright, there we are. That's not too far. Okay, do I need to put an input and output node on this? I don't think so. Where's the voltmeter? Right? It's not reading this either. That's a bummer. It would be nice if it read this and let you know what its current output is from the dynamo. Because it's like, the only way to really tell is until you have it attached to a capacitor or something like that. Okay, anyway, to the medium wire relay, we're gonna come down and hopefully not have to run back up this hill later because like we do dumb stuff. Oh, that was the relay. I need a connector. Alright, just a little goof, no big deal, no big deal. Maybe I can just take that right off with this thing. No, let's try hitting it with the hammer. Oh, that's not the hammer. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Okay. Medium voltage connector. Ah, now we can see that there is indeed power being generated to it. At not the most impressive speed, but it's there. Okay, so now what we've got to do is put some of this junk in the trunk because we've got way too much going on here to look at things comprehensively. And we really only need to have 3 things that we want to look at. I want those capacitors and these connectors and the wire. Oh, and I need low voltage wire, and I just need copper for that, but I'm gonna have to go back down there and run to that. Well, by the time I get this connected and all the way run down there, so the first thing that you really need to know about running the power is that you need to have a connector to your machine, because that is what plugs it in to the machine. Okay, this is basically tapped into the imaginary circuitry on the inside of that now. What we're going to do is use not the connectors. This confused me at first a little bit when I first started learning how the power generation works in this mod. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach the relay. You can run as many wires as you want across relays, but they can only, the connectors can only be used one time from one thing to another. Okay, you can't relay onto connectors. Okay, so that's just a little bit of information that's helpful for somebody who doesn't know what they're doing here. Oh yeah, nice, we got skills. Okay, jumping down there, coming back over here. Ooh yeah, all right. Come back up here and let's see what we can do. We need our wire. And now I click on here, right click. See, it says it's linking from this position. And then I climb back down the ladder, doing our little daredevil routine. Whoa, 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 oh. Well, let's recover from that. Hopefully I've got some food. Okay. Yeah, see, that's why I put those little breakers there, because otherwise I probably would have suffered more damage. I think it's kind of additive. So, whoa, 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 what are you doing, guy? Oh, jeez. I'm thinking about one thing. Huh, yeah, I eat my lunch all the time while I'm climbing ladders at home. Oh, this is so bad. This is embarrassing, but it's fun. I'm having fun. Alright, we're jumping down again. There we are. And then right click again. Now you can see that the wire is actually connected. And, whoops, let's get the voltmeter out. It doesn't tell me the amount of power that's in that line. That's a little bit unfortunate, but, I don't know, it works, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I should have put some water down here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually go up here. And I'm gonna put a single bucket of water down there, and I'm gonna I'm gonna just jump off of there into there. So that'll be fun. Yeah, I think the world record for high diving like that, oh man, I can't remember what the name of that actually is. Like shallow water diving. I don't know what you call it. I think that the world record for that is currently like 63 meters into a single foot of water. That's pretty interesting, right? Okay. We're gonna, can we hit it from here? No. We're gonna have to catch it from the ladder. Alright. Now, back down here, we're gonna hit that one. Cool. Yeah. That's not working. Okay, now relay again. Or maybe we could just put it there. Or maybe we could actually just... That's a good level, because that's about as tall as the transformer is going to be. Bloop. There we go. Now, We're on to it. We're getting somewhere. Come up here, connect to the wire there, bring it back down. I don't know what the maximum length of the wires are, so that's why I'm using so many connectors coming down here, because I didn't want to get all the way down to the bottom and then find out that I don't have enough. And what we're going to do is just take our transformer, and we're just going to kind of put that there. And now we connect from the connector to the transformer. Now we should be able to see how much electricity is in the transformer. Maybe that's what the current transformer is for. I think that is. Yeah, I think that the current transformer tells you how much energy is passing through it. I'm gonna have to go run back down the hill to get this copper wire. Is there a fun way we can do that? Not really. Well, alright. That's just the story of my life. Alright. And that didn't take too long anyway. So, I mean, I could have saved you guys a couple of seconds of your life by, you know, planning this video a little better. Anyway, we're just gonna do it like this. We don't need much. We still need some wood. We've got the cutters. We've got a hammer, right? I think we should have everything that we need now. Copper plates. Okay, here we go. Copper cutters. There we go. Now, that was just 3 wires and a stick. Now we've got 4 low voltage wire coils. That's really, really simple. Really simple. You're probably going to want a lot of copper, you know, in the long run. Because, like, how cool is that, right? I'm going to make that look really sweet, too. Anyway, just for now, it's kind of like this little nerd poll. Just because I wanted to make this video quick. I already did a building video yesterday. Maybe I'll come up with an idea on how I want it to be and do a time-lapse build of my windmill. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you like to see that? Now what we need to do is we need to get our capacitors set up, and we need to put not a relay but a connector onto every capacitor to start charging it. Okay, now blue is in, and then if you take your hammer and smack the side of the box, you can get an output, right? Orange is out. But actually what I'm going to do is just kind of build this one tall. So if you shift click, you can hit the other side, right? I hit it once here and it's blue. Now I hit it again and it's orange. So I'm going to just stack these on top of each other, and I'm going to put it vertically. Okay, so I'm going to jump on here, shift click, it's blue, click again, it's orange. Jump up again, shift click once, it's blue, shift click again, it's orange underneath. Now, the last time, shift click blue, shift click orange. So now we could be a little bit more conservative with the material that we have and just put the low voltage connector on the top there and take our low voltage wire coil, connect it from the transformer to the capacitor, and you can see they are storing power. I'm sorry, I have to apologize. My camera only retains so much heat, and then it automatically turns itself off for protection, I guess. It's got some type of a built-in program on the firmware or something like that to prevent it from overheating. So unfortunately, I just didn't have enough time to get it going to the completion of this video, but that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video anyway. In the next video, I'm going to start running power around in the town and maybe start building this up a little bit more. I'm not quite sure what I want to put and where I want to put it. So what do you guys feel like we need? I know that we've got some loggers that we can add in. Maybe we can use them to automatically strip that forest. I know also that we have a farmer we can put in over here. That would be kind of nice. What do you guys want to see in the town? Please let me know. If it's gonna be something cool, like maybe this metalworking building over here, or the windmill, you know, I mean, if you guys want to see a really big build, I can do a time lapse. It'll be a little bit longer than an average one, but that's only because I'm not in creative mode. I mean, it'll still be quick, but the videos will be funny because I'll be falling around all over the place, and who knows, maybe I can get some maybe I can get some rights to, or permissions, that's the word I'm looking for, permissions to use to Enter the Gladiators song. I really like that one. So anyway, it'll be funny in the video. Thank you for watching. This is McStardust, and I'll see you next time.